Welcome back to channel Auto Drive HUB brings you the latest updates on automobiles with expert reviews, insights, and industry trends to keep you informed. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 250 continues its legacy as a top-tier entry-level sport bike with a perfect balance of performance, style, and advanced technology. This model retains its aggressive styling, inspired by its larger Ninja siblings, featuring sharp bodywork, aerodynamic fairings, and a dynamic stance that enhances both aesthetics and functionality. The twin LED headlights provide improved visibility, and the sleek tail section contributes to a sportier appeal. At the heart of the Ninja 250 is a refined 249cc parallel twin engine, delivering a smooth and responsive powerband ideal for both city rides and spirited highway runs. The liquid-cooled, fuel-injected engine ensures optimal performance with enhanced fuel efficiency. The lightweight chassis, combined with a well-tuned suspension system, offers excellent handling and cornering stability, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced riders alike. Kawasaki has equipped this model with advanced rider aids, including a slipper clutch for smoother downshifts and a refined ABS system for enhanced braking confidence. The digital instrument cluster provides vital riding information, including gear position, speed, fuel level, and trip data, ensuring a user-friendly experience. Additionally, the bike offers a comfortable yet sporty riding position with clip-on handlebars and a well-padded seat, allowing for extended rides without fatigue. One of the standout features of the 2025 Ninja 250 is its improved exhaust system, delivering a deeper, more aggressive exhaust note while maintaining compliance with emission regulations. The lightweight alloy wheels and grippy tires ensure maximum traction and stability across various road conditions. Kawasaki continues to impress with a range of color options and graphics, giving riders the ability to choose a style that suits their personality. The overall build quality and attention to detail reflect Kawasaki's commitment to delivering a premium experience even in the entry-level sport bike category. For those looking for an exciting and reliable sport bike, the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 250 remains a top contender with its perfect blend of performance, design, and technology. Stay tuned for more updates and detailed reviews, and don't forget to subscribe to Auto Drive HUB for the latest in the world of automobiles.